With the first solo, there are some pickup notes, and you're going to start with either your middle finger or your ring finger on the 12th fret of the G string. If you start with the middle finger, it makes it easier to get to where you're going. If you start with the ring finger, it's easier to land there from where you're coming from, because the note before that is on the 10th fret, so 10 to 12 is easier this way, but 12 to 16, and then your first finger comes to the 15th fret of the B string, and then your ring finger goes to the 17th fret, and then 15 on the E twice, and then with some vibrato. So that phrase sounds like this. One more time. Then on the 17th fret, you're going to have a 3/4 step bend, which is a little bit past the half step. So a half step would be here. So then you're going just a little bit further than that. So I recommend trying to play with the recording so you can hear the exact amount of pitch bend. But I think it's just supposed to sound a little bit nasty so that it gets the blues happening. That's what's happening next. And then back down to the 17th fret, and then the 15th fret with your first finger on the E string. And then you're going 15, 15, 17. So 15 on the E, 15 on the B, 17 on the E. So if we put all that together, we have this. And you can see how I'm doing that 15 to 15 as I'm rolling my index finger. And then the 17 with the ring. Then you're going 15 and then 17 pull off on to 15 on the B. So 15, 17, pull off to 15. And then you have 17, 16, 15, 17 on the B, 16 on the G, 15 back on the B, and then you're going to put the 16, your second fret on the 16th fret of the G string and slide down to 14 and back up to 16. So that little bit sounds like this. Moving on, then you're going to put your first finger on the 15th fret of the high E, and then you're going to do another 16, 14, 16 on the G, and then 15 to 16 on from the B string to the G string. So like that. So if we put all of that together, we have this. One, two, three, 4, 1 EN. One, two, 3 EN, 4 EN, 1 EN. One, two, 3, 4 EN, 1 EN. 2, 3 E into 4 E into 1 E in. 1, 2, 3 E into 4 E into 1 E in. 1, 2, 3 E into 4 E into 1 E in. 1, 2, 3 E into 4 E into 1 E in. 1, 2, 3 into 4 into 1 E in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.